Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious salmon strips. First, select about 1.5 pounds of fresh, high-quality salmon fillets. It's crucial to remove the skin and any pinned bones thoroughly. Use a sharp knife for the skin and tweezers for the bones. Then, cut the salmon into uniform strips, aiming for about 1 inch wide and 3 inches long to ensure even cooking. This preparation sets the stage for a perfect dish. Now, let's create a flavorful marinade for your salmon strips. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger. Add 1 clove of minced garlic and a half teaspoon of sesame oil for an aromatic touch. Whisk these ingredients together until well combined. Place your salmon strips in the marinade, ensuring they are fully coated. Let them marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or up to 2 hours, to infuse the flavors. Next, it's time to cook your perfectly marinated salmon strips. You have a few excellent options. For pan searing, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat and cook the strips for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden. Alternatively, you can bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. For a crispy finish, air fry them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 minutes. Choose the method that best suits your preference. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your homemade salmon strips. Garnish them with a sprinkle of fresh chopped green onions or a dash of toasted sesame seeds for added visual appeal and flavor. These versatile strips are perfect as a standalone appetizer or as a delightful main course alongside steamed rice and your favorite vegetables. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days to maintain freshness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.